Is your team fully prepared for safe and efficient blasting operations? At Surface Prep UK, our blast cleaning training courses are designed to improve safety, efficiency, and reduce costly downtime. Whether you're an operator, manager, supervisor, or health and safety personnel, this one-day course delivers essential knowledge building a stronger, more capable team. Combining theory and practical training, the course covers the correct use of personal and respiratory protective equipment, promotes risk awareness and best practices tailored to the blasting environment, teaches how to diagnose and resolve common equipment and process issues, builds understanding of components, materials, and their preparation needs, and emphasizes preventive maintenance to extend equipment life. Training can take place at our Sheffield facility, fully equipped for hands-on learning in a controlled environment. Prefer on-site training? No problem. We can come to your location and deliver the course using your own equipment. Our expert advisors are here to guide you every step of the way. Contact us today to book your course.